Welcome to this tutorial on switching to the line graph in WordPress. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to change your stats view for clearer trend tracking. Open your browser and head to the WordPress homepage. In the top right corner, click Login. Choose Continue with Google and pick the account linked to your site. This makes logging in secure and hassle-free. Once logged in, go to your dashboard and look for the Stats tab. This section shows your website's performance data, including traffic, engagement, and activity trends. In the Stats section, look towards the right side of the screen. You'll see several icons for different data views. Find the line graph icon and click on it. Instantly, your stats will transform into a clean line graph format. The line graph view is especially helpful for tracking trends and changes over time. Whether it's traffic spikes, steady growth, or sudden drops, this view makes patterns easy to spot. And that's it. You've switched to the line graph view in WordPress. It's a simple change that gives you deeper insight into your site's performance and helps you make smarter decisions